So welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna build a custom subwoofer for my E36, and we have already got every pieces cut out in our local store. You can probably ask your store that you're buying wood to just cut out it for you, so you don't have to worry about doing everything wrong, or so everything gonna be right. And it's gonna look something like this for now. This is just the case. I'm also gonna like build a frame so it's going with a wall here, and here we have the 10 inches subwoofer and amplifier. So yeah, we're gonna figure it out to make this looks really nice. I'm gonna show you a picture now how it's gonna looks like plan, but I don't know if it's gonna look that good. So stay tuned. So this is how it's supposed to look. Here they have the port for the air, and here is the base gonna be. And all measure was right. Beside the back one is too long. You see, it's supposed to be 86.2.
Yeah.
Centimeters. Was 900 millimeters. So we have to cut that, but everything else was right. So yeah, now it's just time to like build it.
Relationships will often end in disgust, and I know you want my love, but there's nothing to discuss. I don't need you in my life no more. I don't need you in my life no more. I got no money, it's getting sunny, but I still feel cold. I've been nose running, you funny, you going
So now we have make all the holes from to the top and bottom, so we know where we're gonna drill the screws, so we're not gonna get blind.
I've got the techno on my mind, standing in the club all night. I gotta move my body, move my body. Techno on your side, getting in the bumpy road. I gotta move my body, move my body. Techno on my mind, standing in the club all night. I gotta move my body, move my body. Techno on your side, getting in the bumpy road. I gotta move my body, move my body.
feeling it in my body. My past moves fire away. When you see the grooving, these beats keep me on replay. On replay. See me grooving. These beats keep me on replay. On replay.
So what we did now is just the hole for the contact and I know we didn't really use the right tools, but we don't have the right tools right now, so that worked absolutely fine. So the subwoofer box, or what you call it in English, is complete. The only thing I have to do now is to let the glue dry, and I also have to buy spray glue for like I wanna dress this in and match up with the trunk. I only gonna dress this part because we're gonna cover this up on the side later. So let's buy spray glue. So as you can see, I used the spray glue, but the spray glue I got was really bad and nothing stick to it. So I used wood glue instead, and I also called a friend for help because I have no idea what I was doing.
I've seen enough things to lose hope, and here I am still going. I am even stronger now. Evil is lurking around you, and maybe I'm mistaken. You know I'm feeling alright, like something on my face, something in my veins still hurts. And I don't know what it takes, don't know what it takes to move on. The more that I've done, the less I've become. I just live forever within our souls. Some do even know, and life will go on, and then we'll become just nothing at all. Just nothing, just nothing, just nothing, just nothing at all. Nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. And then we'll become just nothing at all. We've seen all the way to ourselves just to know what it meant, so you took it away. Now time is right to connect, it's just like I'm gonna forget it, the night is done. There's something on my face, something in my veins still hurts. And I don't know what it takes, don't know what it takes to move on.
So as you can see, I have done like a frame of cardboard. I don't know how I'm gonna really make this, or if I'm gonna take wood, glass, fiber, or I don't know. Overall, the subwoofer turned out to look really nice. Even if this was the first time I ever done this, it looks awesome. And I think this gonna look awesome. And also, I don't know if I should like cut this or if I should just cut the wall here. I'm probably gonna cut the wall and do like a section so I can remove it and reach the battery. And I plan to have the amplifier probably here if it fits. Otherwise, maybe we should just put it in the corner so I can reach it. I haven't really figured that out yet. Maybe we can put it on here. But the second problem gonna be the cables. So yeah, I don't know. So the wall is finally done after all some tricky sawing and measurement, and it turned out to be really nice. Actually, it looks really good. There are of course gonna be some gaps, like here. Yeah, it's very hard to get it perfect, but I think I will go with this because the most people just gonna stand from this angle and like, wow, this just looks really nice. So they don't gonna see the small gap. Yeah, so I'm very happy with this result. Now we're just gonna stick on the, what is it called, cloth? Yeah, on the wall. So the frame to the subwoofer is finally complete, and it turned out really good. The only problem is it doesn't line up anymore really that perfect that it does when I was testing everything. I think it is because of all the wires that go around the battery. I'm gonna show you. As you can see here, I can't put the box further in, and I think the wire is in the way behind here, so this doesn't line up here and this doesn't line up so good here, but my vision is the vision that it looks really good, but it should look a little bit better. But overall it turns out really good, and I'm really happy with the result. And the amplifier is actually behind here because I didn't have time to make holes, and I think I'm gonna have a sign here instead. So, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.